In front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this OPPO. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Standard and select the best mode for you: Standard, Meeting or Interview. I will go with Meeting. To start your recording, tap on this red button. Then select Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, my recording is on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same red button. You can add a bookmark by tapping on this left button. In order to add a photo one, click on the right one instead. Take a picture and discard it by tapping on this X icon. You can also save it by tapping on this check mark instead. Now, to save and end your recording, you can pause it first and then tap on this check mark at the top right corner. If you wish to discard it instead, click on this X at the top left one. I will go with Save though. Now name your recording however you wish to, if you wish to, and click on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to edit it, click on this icon with scissors at the bottom right corner and make your changes. I will, for example, remove this part. To save your changes, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. If you wish to discard them, tap on this X instead. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to get rid of your recording, just hold it over here. Tap on this bin icon at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also change more settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on Settings and managing all of them however you wish to, like file format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!